Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport in bright white. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, Freedom Top 3-piece hardtop, rear window wiper and washer, reclining front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 41,000 miles on the odometer, audio jack input for mobile devices, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, ALPINE 9-speaker premium audio system, Command Track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5691.